Okay, so good morning class. Last time I demonstrated about the stances. Actually, it was just pictures. Now I'm going to demonstrate with this time the punches. So let's start with the basic punches. But before you go, we have to make a fist first. So raise your hand, clip it that way, and clip this thumb. You wouldn't want to hurt your thumbs when you are punching. It will be very, very painful. So you have to clip it here, like this. Now, your point of contact shall be the knuckles here. So you cannot be punching this way. You cannot be punching too much that way. You might be hurting your wrist. So, a slight there. So you look at the knuckles here. So once again, you have to clip here and you lead with the left hand when you are going to punch with the right. You look at that, you will be turning it slightly that way. Okay? And then open again for lead. You are supposed to clip the other hand always. There. So alternate. There. And open there. And so, let's do it 10 times. On the last count, on number 10, we have to shout. We have to release the pent-up energy. Okay? Or the stress that we give to ourselves. And 1. Open. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8, 9, 10, and open. Okay. The next punch that we are going to learn is the oitoki. It is a Japanese term for lunge punch. This time, you have to step with your right foot and punch with your right hand. So this is oitoki and 1 there. You see to it that the legs, the foot is on right angle and then the punch is there. So your basis should always be right hand punching with the right foot in front. Do not forget to clip the left hand. Now, if I'm going to move forward, I am going to open lead and there. This is what we call oitoki or the lunge punch. I'm going to move backward again. Punch. Okay? So there. Alternate. I will do it. 1, 2, there. Alright class, let us move on to some of the basic punches. Let's continue with nokite or the jab. So mostly you can do the jab front, standing forward or side, or maybe doing the forward stance or the forward or the fighting stance. Okay? So jab. So you can do it that way. There. Continuous. So that's about it for jab. Thank you. Okay, so next will be the uppercut basic punch. So uppercut as like the other martial arts like boxing and other styles, we have the same. We also do the uppercut. So as the term implies, you cut from up. So standing up, side, or moving forward with stance uppercut. There you go. Okay, the next one is hook. As the term implies, also you are hooking. Hook. You hook, punch, hook. Okay, so hook. And for cross punch also, we do the cross there. In boxing, the stance is not so much. Karate, hook or cross punch. That's what we call the hook. The cross. I'm sorry. Alright? So that's about it for the punches. Thank you. The next one is huracan or the backhand strike. So let's start with the fist. You can do the backhand strike there on the side, there. So you have to withdraw, side, front, front, back, back. As the term implies, back. Alright? With stance or standing. Okay? So, next will be the empty or the elbow strike. So, elbow strike, as the term implies, elbows can be upwards, right, left, standing, side, side, or with stance, to the side, or reverse, there, reverse, and reverse. So those are the basic punches or the strikes. Spare hand also is this one. So you make use of this 3 fingers to attack. So from tapping forward, you can do it with stance. Okay, it is used to strike the solar plexus or the neck or the eye. So all the vital points of the human anatomy. So that's about it for the punches and strikes. Us.